windows make your house feel unsafe. Impact Windows and Doors can help secure your home and save you money. Take advantage of zero down, 100% financing, and payments as low as $189 per month. Call to schedule your free in-home estimate today.
I'm Chief Meteorologist Betty Davis. After a day of record hot temperatures for South Florida, Miami hitting 97 degrees, we will settle into a very warm evening, expecting lows in the upper 70s to near 80. Mostly dry for tonight. A weak cold front reaches South Florida on Tuesday. So with that, a few showers not out of the question. Could have a few around in the morning into the afternoon as well. Thereafter, notice drier weather on the way for Wednesday. By the way, temperatures on Tuesday won't be as hot as Monday. That said, some neighborhoods could still have highs reaching the low 90s, upper 80s in the forecast for Wednesday. And then we go back up into the 90s with those highs as we complete the week. So that is the 7-Day Planner, which you can always get by checking in with us on Local 10 News, local10.com, or Alexa for other updates throughout the day.